my channel. We are going to make a soldering holder. So let's make it, and let's start. First we need this, not this, this as well, and that's all we need, and this peg as well. So let's start making by sticking it right here, or anyhow. You can stick anyhow you want, like this, or like. For that you are going to need a doubled cardboard sheet, so that it will be harder and stronger. Or you can just directly do like this. Directly stick it onto this. So let's stick it. Let's put a glue. And we have to stick it sheet onto the wooden plank and press it a little bit, and the next one is right here. Just a minute. And we have to attach it here. So let's glue it, and let's glue it a little bit off and attach it onto the wooden plank, and finally on the wooden plank add one more wooden plank, or directly just put it with the matchstick. I'm putting it with the matchstick because it will be comfortable for us and hold like this when we do everything solder. So let's stick it. And let's stick onto the plank, and let's just stick this peg onto the pop sticks. And let's attach. Hold it for a few minutes, and stick another one, another peg. And if it is falling just like this, you only have to do is just and hold it for just do this and hold it for a few minutes. it's done. Okay, now let's attach another one. Just a minute, guys. Okay, now let's just glue the peg a little bit and attach it on the chopsticks. Hold it for a while. And when it's done, it looks like this, just like a monster. Or like a shooter. So guys, I hope you like this video and smash the like button and please share, like and subscribe the video, and bye bye.